Hey tech fans, big news. Google's Bard is here, your new digital wizard for YouTube. It's like magic, but online. Ready? Let's explore together. Google's Bard update unveils a new Bard for a unique YouTube experience. Bard versus Chat GPT. Google's upgraded answer to Chat GPT, making waves since March. YouTube integration. Bard seamlessly integrates with YouTube, simplifying video searches with natural language and now answering specific content questions. Analyzing equations. Bard becomes your math companion, analyzing equations and generating step-by-step solutions. Testing with The Verge. Successful recipe summarization, but with nuanced understanding, capabilities and limitations in focus. Future enhancements. Google teases exciting future enhancements, hinting at Bard's untapped potential with YouTube videos. YouTube Premium Ask Button. YouTube Premium users get an Ask button for a chatbot experience. Answer questions, generate summaries, suggest related clips, mirroring Bard's prowess. YouTube AI enhancements. YouTube levels up with AI enhancements like Dream Screen, creating background images with natural language, and a generative AI crafting entire video clips. Bard integration. Beyond YouTube, Bard seamlessly integrates with Google services. Gmail, Docs, Drive, Maps, expanding functionality. Palm 2 model. Bard is powered by the impressive Palm 2 model, 340 billion parameters. Wow, that's cool, right? Optimized for Bard, with specialized additions for medical data and code generation. Ready to transform your YouTube journey? Bard is your digital revolution. Excitement awaits. Hit subscribe, ring the bell, and join us at the forefront of AI. Don't miss the future. Subscribe now and ride the wave with Bard.